Hi friends, it's Healing for the Earth, day 16, and you can see in the background I'm on a country road with no people. Nice field over here. At the end is the beach, and I'm just going on a power walk before my tech job training for Edmonds Community College. The rain is very welcome, and I'm enjoying taking walks on deserted roads out here. Today's message is turn off the news. The news as in the people news. And tune into Nature's News. Nature's News is speaking all the time in rain, beautiful rain, and in birds. I don't know if you can hear the birds as I walk along, and in daffodils. There's some daffodils over here. You can see them. And in the ocean, the air, the clouds, pretty much in anything. And the smells, wow. The smell when I walk along here, someone's burning cedar or something. It smells so fresh, and it reminds me of camp. I love it. It's springtime, and I just walked past a little blooming plum tree with little blooms on it, and there were all sorts of birds, different species of birds in the tree, and they were singing so loudly. And then a robin, funny what catches your attention, what the news is out here in the wild world, but a robin started jumping up and down. Ooh, there goes my umbrella. And it just popped. It was hopping along the trail while I was walking. And it didn't fly away. It just hopped from this little barbed wire post, from one little barbed wire post to the next. And I enjoyed it. It was like, hello, hello, hello. Can you see me? I'm right here. And I've got news for you. It's a beautiful day. And you're going to the beach and you're going to see other bird friends. So, yeah, it's amazing when you step outside what kind of news you get. It's just waiting for us to listen to it. Anyway, friends, enjoy the day, and tune in next time. Who knows what the news will be then. Have a beautiful one.